Introducing the Tritone Dominant. Using a special carousel design with independent trays enables parallel workflow in the multi-processing of parts ranging in size from several millimeters up to 40 centimeters, resulting in industrial manufacturing speed. The Tritone Dominant can easily manufacture a variety of metals. Simply replace the metal paste dispenser with the desired metal. High-resolution print heads jet an ultra-thin layer, creating a layer mold. In the next station, a proprietary metal paste is applied into the mold. A precision blade moves across the filled mold and wipes the excess paste, resulting in a flat molded layer. Next, the station goes into a thermal phase, hardening the new layer, which is now ready for real-time visual inspection. A high-resolution camera analyzes the layer, making sure it conforms to the final model. If it does not, the defective layer is removed, and the item repeats the previous layer without affecting the process. This ensures real-time control of parts quality during manufacturing. This process repeats layer after layer at an industrial speed. Parts are now ready for mold removal. The parts are now removed from the tray, and due to its hardening phase, it is safe to continue the process. Parts are placed into the hands-free mold removal solution, which chemically dissolves the entire mold material. This soluble mold removal method enables unlimited freedom of design, resulting with a clean and robust green part ready for sintering. Finally, parts are being sintered and becoming fully functional. The Tritone Dominant, with its groundbreaking MoldJet technology, is a highly capable additive manufacturing solution, making cost-effective and high-throughput metal manufacturing a reality.